I'd like to do unboxing of the Anker 5 micro USB cables. So yes, you will get 5 cables in one box with variant of the of length. See that you get 3 of the 90 centimeter length cable, one for the longer 1.8 meter, and one for the shorter 30 centimeters. It's a very nice box by Ankers, pretty much all paper based. In here you can see the product number and the barcodes. The back you can see what Anker is trying to achieve by selling you this product, and you can see the website link for if you want to see more of their products. Let's open one. As you see, there's 5 cables in one, and a very nice paper clip cable clip. See, you will get 5 cables. One is the shorter one, and then this should be the longer 1.8 meter, and this is the 3 90 centimeter cables. Let's open one. So this is the 30 centimeter cable. Looks like very thick, and got this premium feel cables. Surely different with this the cheap cables. Got Anker here at the end of the cable. Okay, and you also get these happy non-happy paper sheet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.